our plan B. What we really wanted to do originally, there was too many people there. I know, 2 cars. So we're gonna do this rock hop down the river because it's supposed to be pretty hot today. To a couple waterfalls. We've done this before, but really only once. Only once. This one once.
Yeah, we've done it once.
But
yeah, there was really no place to park.
Yeah, it really wasn't.
It's just a very small place.
But it's not warm yet. And
the water
is
not warm yet.
Water is frigid. But this is a really cool one though. Both waterfalls I think are really beautiful. So yeah, and then of course the one behind us. I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah. Well, shouldn't be very long, but maybe Jess will fall in. It's a little exciting. If I fall in once, I always fall in twice. This is not a good place for us to go. Oh my gosh, my feet are getting so cold. Look at all the look at all this moss right here. How green! Oh my gosh, how cool that looks. Look how green it looks on there. Wow. Cool, right? Gosh, the wind. There's a little waterfall. Oh, that was beautiful. In the water. But I mean, you could just walk in the water. Alright, well I'm gonna go out of here real quick. So green with all the moss. Before, because I feel like we have a picture of this rock. Because of the way it juts out is cool. Yeah. But I do not remember it being green like that. I know we have to be on this side. It gotta be right over there. It doesn't look like we'll be able to do anything. Unless we have in the woods. Do we have to ever do that? I don't remember having to do that ever. That looks really deep. Look at this cool mossy rock. Oh, it's so beautiful. Ooh. tried going that way, but that right there is really slick. True. We decided this was a good lunch spot. We're hanging our legs over this cliff. But this is a gorgeous waterfall.
It is gorgeous.
It's way steeper than it looks in the video.
It really is.
I mean, it looks just like rapids. Look at this cool tree trunk. It's like smooth.
Oh,
Cool looking. Oh, there's a flower. Can't capture it, but look how gorgeous. That's a waterfall. That is gorgeous. We just had to scale that. I know you can't really see how steep it is, but it was sketchy. Very, very sketchy. Still shaking a little. Awesome. How green. No. Oh my gosh, how scary. Here's the first one. Tall, really tall. Look at this little swimming hole right here. Bigger than I remember, right?
taller. It's a little taller back there, though.
I know, right?
Thing.
Plus, it's, I guess, your first view, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, a long time ago it looks like,
Yeah.
but
I'm gonna film your feet. Full disclosure. Yeah, so we've encountered this. I don't know if you can even see it. Like the whole ground is like moving because it's
I've never seen anything.
It's a
like
tree.
this.
It's like the tree roots, and we're thinking it's hollow underneath.
But this is a pretty steep bank. You can see down.
Well, there, I don't know if you can see. There's this very side of the waterfall.
It's steep.
It's. I mean, yeah,
Like, if
it's
this
straight
thing
up and down.
wet with us on it, oh,
We're just not sure if we want to
risk it.
attempt going to the top one. Yeah. Well, Jess is attempting it first. She's a trailblazer.
This is the part that's not spongy right here. Like it starts to separate right there.
Yeah, that what you're standing on is a rock, right?
Yes, this is the rock. Great spot. Where? I think in my head I was
There's red maple leaves. Look at her feet. They're covered in like... Yeah. Oh, this is pretty.
How weird that
We're
the
like,
pool is so...
yeah, we're like level with the water.
It's pretty deep too, that pool.
I don't know exactly how to know. Yeah, look at this maple tree. It's got leaves all the way up its trunk. Look how cool. He's like, you made it. Congrats. Oh, this is gorgeous. Nice. I didn't quite get it. Do another one. Be careful, don't let the weight of it like pull you in. Whoa, that was a good one.
Oh, it's still digging.
We're trying to figure out how deep we think that is. We're thinking, what, 8, 9 feet?
Yeah, that could be.
Look at these moss stripes, how cool.
That rock is slightly slippery, so be careful. Will we get the GoPro?
Saw some fish, but as soon as I came down here, they left. Hoping if I sit still enough, they'll come back. I can't remember.
No, rooster tail. It isn't turkey tail.
It's rooster tail.
Yeah.
Oh, you call it turkey tail?
Just now I did too.
All I heard is the tail part.